why do we yawn? And why is it so contagious? One theory says, yawning cools your brain, literally. When your brain overheats, a deep breath and jaw stretch help regulate its temperature. But here's the weird part. Seeing someone yawn makes you yawn too. That's called social yawning, and it's linked to empathy. The more empathetic you are, the more likely you'll catch a yawn. Some scientists believe it's a way humans synchronize behavior in groups, like bonding through shared tiredness. So next time someone yawns near you, you might just be too empathetic to resist.